talking about? Like, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some really cute outfits. Not really a lookbook, but show you these outfits that I styled and put together for you guys. Everything, of course, is from Shein, except for like some of the accessories, some of the shoes, of course, but like all the outfits are from Shein. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so you are aware every time I upload new videos to this channel. And yeah, you guys, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I'm gonna start off with, I'm gonna say my favorite, but like literally all of them are my favorites. Okay, you guys, for this outfit, I have on this, I guess you could call it chrome two-piece set. This chrome two-piece, this is the top. This outfit is just so perfect to me, and this is the skirt. It has that V-cut on it. I love stuff like that. I think I said that in my video before last. With that V-cut, it's like it accentuates your waistline, so even if you have like a really straight, slim figure, it adds that, like, you know what I'm talking about? Like, yeah. And with that, I wore this gray jacket. This is another thing that I feel like I've been looking for such a long time. It's something like a transparent jacket. So I guess this outfit is what you would call monochrome because it's all like the same color. And yeah, the jacket is so cute. It has little yellow cuffs. And with that, I wore this really cute sequins little bag. This purse is also from Shein. And with the chrome outfit, I also wore this chrome hat. I just feel like the hat really brought the outfit together. It made it like pop more, you know what I mean? The next outfit, I'm wearing another two-piece. So I have on this blue, green, and like neon yellow top. And the two-piece came with this skirt. Yeah, you guys, you get stripes that are horizontal, it's gonna make your figure like. I wore this green jacket. Y'all heard my little story about the green jacket that went disappearing, so I bought another one just in time for the fall time. Clueless, That's So Raven look. These are what these outfits are really giving. That's So Raven, Lizzie McGuire, 1999, early 2000s, especially because of the fur. I have on this really cute purse with it. So cute. When I saw the hat on Shein, I was like, oh my god, like that literally matches perfectly with this. Like, it's not the same exact pattern, but it matches enough where it's like chef's kiss. I'm not gonna show you every pair of shoes like in detail of what I wore in the video, but I had to show you guys these green heels that I got from Dillard's by Gianna Benny, and I just thought these would be perfect with this outfit. It literally it was perfect. Like the flower detailing, the color of the shoes, it was perfect. So hey guys, these shoes are so cute with this. When I got these heels, I didn't know what in the world I was gonna wear with it, but I've really been having like a green fad going on. Like, I love it. So I thought these would be perfect with that, and it just was perfect for the outfit. My next outfit for you guys is this orange outfit. I feel like every outfit is kind of monochrome. Like I'm literally wearing like the whole color. I have on this really cute, it's kind of hard to show y'all because it's backless. Wait, what in the world? Oh, I love the way the cutout is. I just think it's really cute. These outfits I feel like are kind of for fall, like coming out of that summertime where it's like not cold yet, but not, you know, it's still a little warm. I wore that top with these orange pants. I love these pants. I think they're so cute. It's not even just giving like 70s vibes. I feel like it's another like Lizzie McGuire type outfit, especially the pants. The next outfit I have for you guys is this blue two-piece, and this came together as well. So I say two-piece. This is definitely giving early 2000s. I love every single outfit. So I have on this blue top with red lips and a cherry like detailing on it. I love the color blue this is. I think that's just a really pretty sky blue. And the skirt like has like the same detailing. It says Los Angeles on it. Just really cute. And I like the fact that the skirt was kind of long. That it's definitely coming back, like not just the mini skirts. I feel like people wear like mini skirts nowadays, or like the really long skirts like this one. I like that it's still fitted, but it's still, I don't know, I really like the way it accentuates my waist. It just gives me like that hourglass figure. And I just wore this basic red purse with it. Also thought that the outfit just looked a little plain, so I added this hat with it, this jean hat. I've had this jean hat for a while and I've literally like worn it once. So I thought because of the sky blue color that it would just go perfect. You know, it's not the same shade, and that's the thing about fashion. You don't have to wear like the same exact shade, especially with certain colors like blue, green. It's okay to mix patterns like I did with the hat and the green, blue and stuff. That color hat and that green and neon two-piece, like that is a perfect example that I have on like 3-4 different shades of blue, green, neon, and it all still like went together really well. You know what I mean? I feel like it, instead of having the outfit plain and just sticking to one color for your accessories and stuff, that's how you accentuate your outfit. You accentuate certain colors. That's why even though I wore the blue jean hat, I wore the red purse. You want to bring out every color in the outfit, you know? For the last outfit, y'all, I'm so upset because when I was filming this outfit, I had like a little pin stain, like from doing makeup or whatever. I don't know how it got on there. A really small, tiny stain you couldn't even see, and it was bothering me. So, and I knew I was filming this other part of the video, like my talking part of the video today. So y'all, threw it in the washing machine. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can really see the bottom of the pants. I mean, these pants are giving. Like, they are so cute, y'all. And I didn't look in the inside. It said to hand wash. I wasn't thinking because of the fringes at the bottom, y'all. It looked like somebody's auntie knitted the bottom part together. Like, it doesn't even look the same anymore. I guess I could still rock them, but I don't know. Like, those fringes really gave. They were giving. Like, I'm gonna do the same thing I did with that green sweater, y'all. I'm gonna just buy another one because those pants are too cute not to be able to wear again. I literally only wore them once outside of this video. And with that, I wore this top from Temu. Y'all probably seen this top in my Temu haul. This top from Temu because I thought it would be the perfect pink. Like, I'm just so upset about these pants, y'all. Like, y'all, the pants. And then something was like, look in the inside after the fact, and it said to hand wash, y'all. I was so mad because I ruined them after only wearing them once. And with that, I wore this really cute like fur headband, which is also from Shein, of course, just a different time. That headband really gave it that pop, and since the headband has fur, I decided to wear this purse. I think it's also from Shein. Like, I feel like I get literally all my stuff from Shein. Okay guys, that is it for these outfits. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, but most importantly, I hope y'all enjoyed these outfits. I hope it gives you some inspiration, especially because that 1999, early 2000s look is really in, like, literally. And a lot of us, especially me, I know that's been my style forever. Like, it's never changed. My style has always been like that vintage, early 2000s looks, clueless look. Like, that's just always been my look, even when it was not in style. Hope it gives y'all some inspiration for your own outfits, especially this fall. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'm sure you did. And please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that bell button so you are aware every time I upload new videos. And yeah, you guys, I love y'all so much, and I will see you guys next Friday in my next video. Bye guys.